In this video, you're going to learn how to set up a basic virtual domain or VDOM configuration with two individually managed VDOMs in one FortiGate. With virtual domains, you can divide a single FortiGate into multiple distinct instances, each capable of separate firewalling, routing, and administration. This example is based on setting up VDOMs for departments within a company, R&D, and marketing. On the FortiGate dashboard in the System Information widget, enable Virtual Domain. You will have to relog in after enabling to see the new GUI options. Then go to Global, VDOM. Create two VDOMs, a VDOM for R&D and a VDOM for marketing, both with the operation mode set to NAT. Next, you will assign some interfaces to each VDOM. Go to the Interface list. Edit port 1 and assign it to R&D. Set the addressing mode to manual and assign an IP and netmask to the interface. Edit port 2 and assign it to R&D. Set the addressing mode to manual, add an IP, and enable administrative access. Enable DHCP server. Edit port 3 and assign it to marketing with a manually assigned IP. Edit port 4 and assign it to marketing with a manually assigned IP and enable administrative access. Enable the DHCP server. Now, you'll need to set up a static route for each VDOM. Go to Virtual Domains and select R&D to configure that VDOM's settings. Go to Router, Static Routes, and add a default route with a destination of 0, device set to port 1, and gateway set to the IP of the gateway router. Then select Marketing from the Virtual Domains and create the default static route. Set the destination to 0, the device to port 3, and gateway to the IP of the gateway router. Next, go to Global Administrators to create an administrator to maintain each VDOM. The first will be the R&D admin. Set type to regular, set a password, and set admin profile to profadmin. Assign this admin to the R&D VDOM. Now, do the same for the marketing admin, assigning them the marketing VDOM. Make sure neither have administrative access to the root VDOM. Connect a PC to port 2 and browse to the port 2 IP you set using HTTPS. Log in as the R&D admin. Go to the policy list and create an Internet access policy. Set the incoming interface to port 2 and the outgoing interface to port 1. Enable NAT. For this VDOM, enable some basic web filtering and application control security features to prevent distraction from work. Connect a PC to port 4 and browse to the port 4 IP you set using HTTPS. Log in as the marketing admin. Go to the policy list and create an Internet access policy. Set the incoming interface to port 4 and the outgoing interface to port 3. Enable NAT. For this VDOM, enable antivirus and DLP security features to protect your confidential information. Connect port 1 and port 3 to the gateway router so that they will be able to access the Internet. Connect to the Internet from within the R&D network and then log into the FortiGate unit. Set the virtual domain to R&D and view the policy monitor to see sessions being processed in the R&D VDOM. Go to Log and Report, Forward Traffic Log, to see traffic and security feature logging. Thank you for watching. If you need further details, you can visit docs.fortinet.com at any time to access Fortinet's complete documentation library.